It's just about that time of the year when the pre-season schoolboy football tournaments are rolling out all over the country, signaling, of course, another year of Manning and the Costa Cup football in Jamaica. One of the, if not the most unique football phenomenons contextually anywhere in the world. Schoolboy football is still the most organically popular form of competitive football in Jamaica, even as the Jamaica Premier League has been marketed well in recent years. Schoolboy football needs no such high-powered marketing. Communities and school fraternities support is guaranteed, and the excitement is always fever pitch. Outside of simply enjoying and appreciating the spectacle of schoolboy football, the very best of the nation's football talent is put on annual show. Over the past 2 seasons, that process has given us the outstanding Dujan, Whisper Richards, and then the impressive Kaheem Dixon. This season, who will it be?